Welcome to the state of Illinois. This guy's like a birdman. He's got feathers all over him. He's ready to fly. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. I have two of these shirts, so this one's clean. And we're ready to travel. See behind me, we're in Chicago. This is what we're taking to get around the city. Throw your credit card in there and off you go. And there are plenty. Over here at the Navy Pier, right by the city. Gorgeous day out. Every big city now has the big Ferris wheels. Well, it's still called the John Hancock Towers, but I think they named it something else. But everybody knows it as the John Hancock Towers. Wow, we got window washers on strike. Chicago Waterworks building. Back in the day, right along the magnificent, right along the magnificent, I can't even say the word, the Magnificent Mile. And it's Trump's hotel and condos and whatever else it is. Boats all up and down the waterways here. Look how those cars are parked on that building there. There are just a lot of boat tours along this waterway here. Water taxi, he's kind of empty. This is just a busy waterway here. I'll just keep biking. Subway. This is cool how the subway tracks are elevated above the city streets. Coming to a stop again. Stop and go, stop and go. Chicago Joe's, they say they got really good burgers here. Sunday brunch, shrimp, pasta, clams, oyster, and cheeseburgers. Oh, like the first one here, they just opened up. Gonna get a burger to go. There are 2 places to eat, Joe's and home. Well, that was neat kind of biking around Chicago. I'm not going to mountain bike in every state, but I'll either road bike, which I rented a bike, or mountain bike in every state. Like I said earlier in one of my videos, who knows how long it'll take, but I'm going to bike in every state. I could just keep repeating myself. So I didn't do too much today, but had a good time just running around Chicago. And on that note, traveler out.